Good morning. Today's Monday, April 6th, 2026. This is a demonstration on how to open and use TradeSoftPro on NinjaTrader. So initially you would set up an account with NinjaTrader. You would download the desktop version of NinjaTrader. This little red N on your computer here. You click on that to open it. Once it pops up, of course, you type in your password. And the account, the only thing you have to pay for in NinjaTrader is the live feed, which is a platform that's used to trade anything that's traded on the stock markets. It costs us about $12 a month service, and you'd have to pay that with any platform that you use. Once you open your account, your chart will pop up, and this is the chart you'll be trading from. You can save your workspace up here. Anytime you make some changes, you go to your workspace and click on Save. That way you don't have to open and create new charts every time you open it. From there, you want to make sure that your count is enabled. So I'm going to maximize this so you can see it easier. And across the top, you'll see these icons. You go to the second one in from the right where it says strategies. You click on that. And these are the settings for operating the software. Now, you don't have to change any of the settings. They'll be preset. If you are in a different time zone than Eastern time, then you'll need to change the start time. But it's set to run from 9:35 until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're in Central Time, you'd need to change that to 8:35. If you're in Mountain Time, 7:35. Pacific Time, 6:35, and so forth. But the most important piece here is, you scroll down and you want to gauge this every day. Make sure it's set to your account. And then right below that, under Setup, it says Enabled. So you check this box, click Apply here on the bottom right, and you are now set to trade. Click OK. And the next step is to just watch and wait. And we're about 30 seconds away from the open here on the Dow Jones. We've got our chart set up, our account set so we can monitor our profit loss. And today is following a holiday weekend, Easter weekend, so we're not anticipating a lot of movement today. The software is set up to initiate at 9:35 a.m. We give it 5 minutes for all the software and the indicators to match up so that it indicates that it should enter a trade either going long, if we think the price is going to go up, or if we think it's going to go down, we'll go into a short trade. Sometimes it doesn't enter any trades at all because the market's not readable. It's up and down too much, which many times is where a lot of traders lose money because they jump in too early. So we'll see what happens. And the intent is not to trade just to trade. It's to enter a trade that you believe is going to be profitable, that's going to go the direction that your trades are going to go. What makes it work really well is when we get into a trend. If you see it going up and it keeps going up and it enters a trade that can be really exciting watching it, sometimes it'll go back and forth a few times before it takes a direction. Now it's 9:34. We have a bar timer at the bottom of the screen here we installed that shows us the countdown that runs all day. And we've got about 10 seconds left before the software will engage. And we'll see if it ends up engaging. It's a bit choppy. And if it doesn't enter a trade, no trade is better than a losing trade. So here we go. Set it into a long trade. It uses two trades to enter. The first one is set to take a profit at 25 points. The second one will ride out the trend until it hits 100, where it reverses if there's a reverse. And it had a pullback, so it detected it, wanted to close the trade to make sure there was salvaging the profit. So we made $210 in this trade. And that's all there is to it. The next time you use this will be the next day, unless you have other time frames set up you want to use. But that's it.